I have just made a gorgeous little jar of homemade gingered sun-dried tomatoes. It's something I use quite frequently when I'm making food for groups. If you've come on a treat that I've made food on before, it's very likely that you will have tasted and enjoyed it very much. I like to make it and mix it in with a raw slaw. It jazzes it up, takes salad to a whole new level. So basically, I tend to buy sun-dried tomatoes in bulk. So I'll buy 1 kilo or 3 kilos. And they have an excellent shelf life. They keep really well. So I'll use about 100 grams of those, and then I'll chop them up a little bit, pop them in a jar, and then I will finely grate some ginger. So I peel it with a spoon, which is a bit of a secret way of peeling it that is really easy and a lot easier than a knife. And then I finely grate it until I have about 1 heaped tablespoon worth. And then I'm going to add about 8 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and about 6 tablespoons of oil. I often like to add hemp oil. You can use olive oil or any oil that you have. If you don't want to add so much oil, just add a little bit of water instead. And then you mix it in or give it a good shake, and then you just leave it to infuse into the sun-dried tomatoes, and that'll be ready the next day. I'm Anastasia Eden. If you like what you see here, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know how you get on, and come visit my website, kindearth.net. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.